free speech or a fireable offense? That's the question after an Auburn instructor among those now suing after her social media post about Charlie Kirk cost her job. But you know what? We want to hear from you guys. Take a look at your screen right now. Scan that QR code to be a part of the conversation. Does your job limit free speech rights? Again, scan that QR code on your screen to answer, or you can hop on over to our website. That's abc3340.com. Tonight, I-Team Cynthia Gould following up on that question. Have some employers gone too far?
Following the assassination of Charlie Kirk, emotions erupted online. And in some cases, comments posted on social media cost people their jobs. Now, two former Auburn University employees are fighting back, claiming they were punished for exercising free speech.
If you feel conflicted, if you feel wronged, speak out. That's the only way we learn. Silence does nothing but keeps us in the dark.
Dr. Candace Hale taught English, composition, and literature at Auburn and also lectured online for UA after Hale posted that she would not mourn oppressors, calling Kirk an evil, racist fascist. Both schools cut ties.
And I was floored. I was like, are you serious? For what?
Hale recalled comments Kirk made about black women not having brain processing power, asking if conservatives have free speech rights. Why doesn't she?
Why do you want this to be heard in courts?
It's my right to say what I want to say and not to face persecution. I'm not going to tell you, Cynthia, I'm not scared, that I'm not nervous about what the future holds, but my integrity and my values would eat me up on the inside so much if I just sat around and did nothing.
The lawsuit claims the universities violated Hale's First Amendment rights, retaliating against her for an opinion made off campus on her personal time. Attorney Kyra Fontano.
There was no threat of violence. There was nothing other than an expression of her lack of an ability to mourn for someone who made speech that was antithetical to her beliefs and her personhood.
Another lawsuit from former Auburn landscaper Kevin Courtwright, fired for a post reading "One Fascist Down, a whole socio-political movement to go, FAFO Nazi trash." His attorneys argue the post was insensitive and offensive, but protected political speech, not a threat. Legal experts say the cases test the line between where free expression ends and employer discipline begins, particularly at public universities, where constitutional protections do apply.
Ordinarily, a person who works for a private employer, that is correct. It is an at-will state. They can fire you because they don't like the color of your shirt. But public employees actually have more protection than private employees. And so the First Amendment requires that the government not retaliate against individuals.
Employment attorney Javier Perez explains these lawsuits will be decided case by case with a subjective component.
Where that line is drawn under kind of First Amendment case law is going to come down to the specific facts. And that's where you need the court to decide, okay, which side of the line did this particular statement fall?
Both lawsuits are now in federal court and attorneys expect more to follow. Now, we did not receive a response from Auburn for comment or an answer on just how many staff members had been disciplined or fired over their social media posts. For the I-Team, Cynthia Gould, ABC 3340 News.